We begin with continuing coverage of COVID-19 in Idaho tonight. There is more than a virus spreading that's causing healthcare workers to worry. Misinformation or fake news is creating a big obstacle in the fight against the virus. Local News 8's Emma Iannacone shows us how some locals are trying to stop the spread.
Is this real? Is this from a credible source?
They're questions we're all asking ourselves lately. Misinformation about the coronavirus is spreading so much, the World Health Organization's declared it an infodemic. There's even an entire Wikipedia page dedicated to it.
In all the planning that we've done for a pandemic of some sort, we didn't really factor into the equation the influence of social media and how much misinformation would be circulating on social media.
Now Pocatello resident Megan Layson is attempting to stop the spread of what she sees as misinformation. In March, she created the Pocatello COVID Community Support Group on Facebook to give people a place to share information and resources. This week, she spent hours researching a recent video that was posted in the group.
Because I wanted it to be accurate, and I really considered everything those doctors had to say. I researched it, I looked for scholarly articles that would support or negate their claims.
She apparently found nothing to support the claims in the video, so she took it down and took the heat from people who said she was censoring. But public health officials say Layson's work is important.
If you're just seeing something that's being shared by a friend on social media or even some what sound like professional organizations but maybe don't have a ton of credibility, I would be very leery of buying into things that are being promoted by that type of organization.
Now more than ever, public health officials tell us they're having to fact check false information.
People have sent us questions about things that they've heard on the internet, and they're very sincere in wondering if what they're hearing is accurate.
With so much information out there, it's hard for people to weed through it all, but taking any claim at face value can be dangerous and deadly during a pandemic.
You research those. You don't just take it on their account. Go find the scholarly articles that they're saying this research is based on.
In Pocatello, I'm Emma Iannacone.
You can find some additional tips on how to be more critical in your news consumption on our website at Local News 8.